Alright, guys, we have to talk about Sam Bankman-Fried. This guy is totally insane. Okay? This guy has his lawyer saying that it's not a crime to have a company that goes bankrupt. What the hell does that have to do with stealing billions of dollars and buying houses for your parents with monies that is not yours? So, the one thing I'm not hearing is restitution. Why aren't they talking about restitution? They should be talking about this, at least to the judge, for some sort of reduced sentence. I don't even know what the hell. Maybe they'll reduce 115 years to 110. I don't know. I don't know what this guy really. I mean, he should have thought of this before even going to trial and taking the stand on himself, basically. It's very strange. His former partner, Alameda Research, Caroline Ellison, I'm talking about. Caroline Ellison already testified against him. Other associates of his already talked about exactly what he did. They wrote code to get these monies from FTX to Alameda Research. So, at this point, what the hell are these guys expecting? You know? Like, oh yeah, the dog ate my homework type of excuse. I mean, it's very strange. You hire top lawyers and you get this kind of response. For me, it's kind of strange. They should be talking about, again, restitution. But I really want to hear what you guys think about this, because I know there's a lot of other news going on, which is extremely important. And in the finance world, this is one of the top news, because this has affected millions of people, whether you were directly, hurt by this financial scenario or not. Because indirectly, there was a huge effect on all the cryptocurrencies. A lot of loss of trust. Loss of trust in these funds. People working for them. These obnoxious people who pretend to know things that they do not know. And what they do know is how to take your money. And when they take your money, they play dumb and they hire expensive lawyers to make you still feel like you're dumb. And then on top of that, come up with these silly excuses that no one in the end is going to believe, because there's so much proof. But the real point that is poisonous is they thought they could really get away with this. They thought incorporating in the Bahamas, yeah, nobody's gonna get me, whatever. I mean, this is ridiculous. I mean, you're playing with other people's money. It's the first rule, you don't do it. So, I mean, this has gone so deep. Caroline Ellison also, just because she's testifying against Sam Bankman-Fried for a sweet deal, she should never get a sweet deal. I mean, she knew exactly what she was doing. And also obnoxious. Also the parents. Ridiculous. I mean, they were law professors, skilled in taxes. So they knew exactly how to evade taxes, and they could have made money normally, They could have made money, working hard, giving good advice to their son, but they chose not to. For what reason? I mean, it just doesn't, that part doesn't make sense at all. I mean, you thought you were that clever to steal billions of dollars? I mean, this just doesn't make sense. And then you buy a house in the Bahamas with the monies from FTX people. I mean, it's their monies, I would like to really talk to some people who've really been hurt. Some of the direct investors. I would like to have a podcast with the direct investors who were hurt. I've seen some of them already on YouTube. But I would like to talk to them now. What do they think, you know? Even if he gets 115 years in jail, 100 years, 40 years, right? Well, it'll be, what, 70 years old? I mean, is that enough? Is that satisfying in a way? Or, I mean, it's just useless at this point. He took all of these people's monies, and then now they want to go back and say, oh yeah, these weird excuses. But anyway, guys, you guys let me know what you think. This guy's going to get sentenced soon, so I don't know why they're delaying this trial anymore. Let me know what you guys think. I really want to hear from the direct investors. All right? Thanks so much. Have a great day.